Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a shadow in Photoshop. So I'm just provide a very simple way. At first need to PNG image, okay, and click on this option, then showing it to drop shadow option. Just open, just click on. So look here, this is my drop shadow. Press on OK. Go to layer option, click on layer style, and showing it to create layer. Just press on OK. Then you get new layer. Press on Ctrl+T and you just easily move anywhere. Some just place properly. Click on mouse left side, click on and just adjust. Press on enter. And if you want to increase or decrease opacity, and that's it.